welcome back to the channel. Here in front of me I have my new purchase, which is my new pressure canner. Yes, I've been wanting one for absolutely ages. My husband finally got me one as a present. I must say, guys, I have not gone for Presto canner. I've done a lot of research on the pressure canners, and we in UK here have literally a very limited access of what sort of pressure canners to buy. So pretty much it's either Presto or no Presto. So two options there, okay? So after the long research and the deliberation, I've made my choice to go with a non-Presto canner. This one I bought on Amazon, and it's pretty much half price, guys. The Presto canner is about £320 plus delivery. This one was 176 pounds. I've had a look at the feedback, or people talked basically about it, and some people actually reckon that it's actually in the same size, the same fitment of the lid is the pressure thing. So people think it's kind of like basically like a Presto overflow type thing, kind of thing, like a dupe. Anyway, I have not opened it, so let's have a look and see how good it is. As I said, it took me a little while, guys, to kind of to come to this decision. I just felt spending £320, it wasn't particularly, yeah, I didn't want to spend the money. I spent that 320 quid on my Excalibur, and I just felt like, yeah, I didn't want to do that. So let's get it out. It's still got another box inside, that's okay. I thought it might be just packaged in there like some do. Right. Get out. And there is, let me just dump that on the floor. Okay, so here we are. This is the box. Okay, this one is, guys, it's not an induction compatible. I don't think they do it. So thing for me, it's either going to be cooking this outside on a barbecue, gas barbecue, or I'll have to get a ring to cook on, to pressure cook on. Again, because I'm saving quite a lot of money, I suppose, yeah, we'll see how that goes anyway. So this is the brand. I couldn't even probably dare to pronounce it. It's just a bunch of letters, really. Anyway, now let's have a look. Let's have a look. Surprisingly, right, this has actually arrived from Germany. I did know that. But kind of at first I thought, okay, maybe Germany, maybe it's actually made in Germany, I don't know, but doubtful. Like everything else, it's normally made in China. So, oh, bloody hell, that's a monster lid. I've gone for the big one. Oh, it's a big one. I didn't realise how big they are. I don't think that's going to fit well. Okay, and another beauty of this, guys, that apparently, if there's any issues with any spare parts, they are supplied for free. Okay, right, so this is the lid. Okay, let's get this out here. So we have a little weight here. Let's get this out. Oh my god, the little valve in there, so I can get it out. Oh, here we go. Get it on the floor. So we've got the little valve to go on top. We have the spanner. Okay, we have, oh, that's a spare gas. Yeah, spare, which is good. I can't believe how big and huge they are. That's another massive thing to keep in my house somewhere. Right, okay, let's get this out. Okay. Crazy. Sorry, guys. Okay, so, okay, we have a booklet, product instruction manual. Okay, in English, okay. English and German. And we have the base plate, so they just don't knock around. Okay, that's that. Obviously, we don't have a second one of those to make it, to give it a second layer. I've kind of wanted to have second layer, however, I can buy one on Amazon for about £15 because I need to get the tongs anyway. But generally, guys, yeah, this is, oh yeah, where's my pressure gauge? There's no pressure gauge. Oh, where's the pressure gauge? Yeah, you meant to have a pressure gauge on top. Let me have a look in the box. Pressure gauge. Sorry, I didn't see that in the box. Sorry. I'm about to panic then. It's like, I gotta wait again for another couple of weeks for it to arrive. So let's get that opened up. Yeah, general consensus on the reviews I read. People are really happy with that. You got to do anyway. As I said, I've been skeptical. I'm one of those people that I got to understand and know the process, how things work, before I make my decision and commit to canning, especially meat. Because I'm not say uber paranoid, but obviously safety, food safety is paramount, especially when we're talking about the canning. So it's really important. So, but as I understand, guys, really, by doing research on the things themselves, it's a pot. It's a pressure cooker pot that has a gauge. So can you use a normal pressure cooker? No, because you cannot control and know the pressure inside. But generally, if you get any of the canners, in your country, if you want to get one, and you're unsure and you don't want to spend a lot of money on the Presto or Pesto, whatever is Presto, so long as you have a pressure gauge to monitor your pressure, then I don't see a problem whatsoever, especially if this does come with the warranty in terms of we can get any spare parts. So, well, basically, that's that, guys. That's a super massive thing. It doesn't look too bad of a quality, to be fair. I don't know what the Presto one would look like in terms of the finish, but I don't see... It's finished okay, it's polished, it's, you know... Obviously, we need to screw this in there on the top. We can adjust the weights. I know people said that you can put... If you need to adjust the pressure, you can use... put some, little washers in there as well if you need to. I don't see the reason for that. So yeah, that's to me looks like a massive pot. So technically, if I'm thinking about it now, if you think about it, 320 quid is just a stainless steel pot with a pressure gauge. So why bother spending 320 quid when you can spend 170 and get yourself pretty much the same item? So yeah, so here we are, guys. This is what we have. So I am obviously basically going to practice a lot. I'm gonna do a few test runs and make sure. I've been researching a lot how to can and researching the process anyway. But I'm gonna do a few test runs. So before I'll do the videos for you guys about the canning, I'm gonna practice it myself. So when I do show you, at least I know what I'm talking about. Nothing worse, guys, than people do videos. Either doing the videos first time or no, they have no idea what they're doing. They're just doing this and then they mess it up. So I don't want to do that. So anyway, I'm going to do this video separately. I just wanted to share with you my new purchase. So anyway, I'll put down the link below, guys. If any of you interested to have a look at this on Amazon, I'll put the link down below. They do them in 2 different sizes. The price-wise is very little difference. I think it's about 10 or 20 pounds difference if you go for half the size, and I thought, like, what's the point? If you do it, you might as well do it properly, but it's up to you, of course, anyway. So I'll put the link down below. So wish me luck. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, please. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.